set his alarm off right now.
No way! Try some other car.
Oh, this is Reese's truck here.
Does it work?
I think it's fucked up. Oh wait, no, this is not his.